We are a young family living full-time in an RV.
We sold everything to live a simpler life and to immerse ourselves in travel.
We live, laugh, and learn every day as we develop as parents.
We are documenting our son's first 52 weeks of life.
Join us as we tackle our greatest adventure yet.
We are the Merowinskis.
Hi guys!
Last week we were at the NBA game, the Portland Trailblazers. The Trailblazers won, so it was awesome to get to the game just before that game. So Jude got to experience that. Cue flashback. Now, what are we doing, babe?
We're going on a helicopter ride!
Who's putting it on?
PNW Helicopters.
So they're at this island out here called Sauvie Island, which is like a big farm island. They have a bunch of farms.
Like potatoes and carrots, zucchini.
Zucchini. She's just making up vegetables.
Instead of their normal tour, which is downtown Portland, you get kind of a view of this farmland.
Where are we, babe?
The pumpkin patch.
What do you think, Duty? Duty Pooh Bear Bug. Where are we?
On the poor traveling days, oh Lord, please, can you hear my prayers? So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit.
Babe, should we get some corn?
Some corn,
You get some corn? Let's get some corn. I mean, we should probably get a corn, right?
Go get a corn.
Go get a corn?
Get it now.
Yeah, guys, get a thing of corn? Yep, there's four. One for you guys. Oh, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Man, no old day.
No, I know, right?
I'm an East Coaster, man. Virginia originally.
No, Philly.
Oh, okay, nice. So you know.
What days we can get tomorrow?
They don't have Old Bay though. Nobody in the Pacific Northwest has the Old Bay.
My buddy up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
Y'all ready to take off?
Ready to take off?
Alright. For those of you who have never flown a helicopter before, this is the most magical spot. Let me introduce you to the hover. You okay?
I'm good.
Alright.
Next step is jumping out of a helicopter.
afraid, won't let you fall.
That's awesome.
Daddy,
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
I'll do one more.
That took some talent. How are you gonna go about that?
Well, I think it's digitally enhanced these days.
Aliens, right?
Yes. Definitely aliens.
What are we doing, babe? No, what are we doing?
you'll have to wait and see.
We. This is gonna be this episode, so like they're about to see. It's gonna be this episode. What are we doing, babe?
We're going on a helicopter ride.
What?